come with me to climb some SVAN towers in Mestia. Just a little bit of history for you guys. These towers were actually built over 800 years ago to protect the locals from invaders, and people actually lived in them. I thought it was so cool to actually be able to go in one of these towers knowing the history behind it. I will say climbing up and down these towers is not easy, as you can tell by the look on my face. This is me realising how am I going to get down. They're very narrow and steep and obviously very old, so you do have to be careful, but honestly the views are worth it.